In this video, I'll show you how to create a client success system on GoHighLevel so you can deliver results, keep clients happy, and reduce churn. Step 1. Define success metrics. Decide what outcomes matter most, like leads generated, appointments booked, or sales closed, and track them inside GoHighLevel dashboards. Step 2. Automate onboarding. Build a workflow that welcomes new clients, sends setup instructions, and books a kickoff call. This creates a smooth first impression. Step 3. Provide regular updates. Use automated reports and email summaries to clients' progress without you manually checking in. Step 4. Add support touchpoints. Set reminders for monthly check-ins, send satisfaction surveys, and trigger automate how it's going messages. Step 5. Build a client portal. In GoHighLevel, create a branded portal where clients can see KPIs, campaign performance, and communication history all in one place. Step 6. Automate renewals and upsells. Set reminders for contract renewals and build funnels that promote higher tier offers once results are achieved. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.